Hey, Bob, what are you doing?
Nothing, Jesse. What happened?
Actually, I need your help.
Sure, Jesse. What's the problem?
Bob, I am trying to learn reported speech, but I don't understand it at all.
Really?
Yes, every time I see reported speech, I get confused.
Don't worry. Many English learners feel the same way.
It looks so difficult.
Actually, it is easier than it looks.
Are you sure?
Yes. By the end of our conversation, you will understand it clearly.
I hope so.
First, let me ask you a simple question.
Okay.
If your friend says, "I am happy," and later you tell me about it, what would you say?
My friend said, I am happy?
Not exactly.
See, I told you I don't understand it.
That's okay. Today, we will learn it together. Imagine your friend says, "I am happy."
Okay.
Later, when you tell another person about it, you don't repeat the exact words.
Then what do I do?
You report the information.
Report the information?
Yes. My friend said that she was happy.
Oh,
That is called reported speech.
so reported speech means telling someone what another person said?
Exactly.
That already sounds easier.
Good. Let's do a quick quiz.
Okay.
Someone says, "I am tired." How would you report it?
He said that he was tired.
Correct.
Really?
Yes.
Maybe I can learn this after all.
Of course you can.
Why is reported speech important?
Because we use it every day.
Every day?
Yes. Imagine your teacher says something important.
Okay.
Later, your friend asks, "What did the teacher say?"
Then I tell my friend.
Exactly.
So I am using reported speech.
Correct.
Interesting.
We use it at school, at work, at home, and everywhere else. Let's learn the most important rule.
I'm listening.
In many cases, the tense moves one step back.
What does that mean?
Look at this. "I am hungry" becomes, "He said that he was hungry."
Am becomes was.
Correct. "I like coffee" becomes, "He said that he liked coffee."
Like becomes liked.
Exactly. Ready?
Yes.
"I am busy."
She said that she was busy.
Perfect. "I play football."
He said that he played football.
Excellent.
This is starting to make sense.
Let's practice with friends.
Okay.
My friend said, "I love music." How do we report it?
Your friend said that he loved music.
Correct.
My friend said, "I am learning English."
Your friend said that he was learning English.
Very good.
This is actually fun.
Learning grammar through conversation is always easier. Now let's use family examples.
Great.
My mother said, "Dinner is ready."
Your mother said that dinner was ready.
Correct. My father said, "I will go to the market."
Your father said that he would go to the market.
Excellent.
Wait.
What happened?
Will became would.
Exactly.
I noticed that.
Good job. I will call you tomorrow.
He said that he would call me the next day.
Perfect.
I got it right.
Yes. Let's imagine we are in school.
Okay.
The teacher says, practice English every day. Later, what would you say?
The teacher said that we should practice English every day.
Excellent. The teacher says, reading improves vocabulary.
The teacher said that reading improved vocabulary.
Correct.
What mistakes do learners usually make?
The biggest mistake is forgetting to change the tense.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I am tired. Wrong. He said that he is tired. Better, he said that he was tired.
I understand.
Another mistake is forgetting to change pronouns.
Like I and he?
Exactly. Let's practice many examples.
I'm ready.
I like pizza.
She said that she liked pizza.
Correct. I am watching television.
He said that he was watching television.
Good. I need help.
She said that she needed help.
Great. I have finished my work.
He said that he had finished his work.
Excellent.
I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful.
Can we try a real-life conversation?
Sure.
Yesterday, my friend said, I am planning a trip.
Then you can say that your friend said she was planning a trip.
Nice.
Where was she going?
She said that she was going to the mountains.
Great use of reported speech.
Thank you.
Quick quiz.
Let's do it.
I bought a new phone.
He said that he had bought a new phone.
Correct. I am hungry.
She said that she was hungry.
Correct. I will start a new job.
He said that he would start a new job.
Perfect.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
At the beginning, I thought reported speech was impossible.
Really?
Yes, I used to see the grammar rules and get confused.
And now?
Now it feels much easier.
That's great.
The examples helped me understand.
Practice is the key.
I agree. Let's do one last exercise. Okay.
I am learning English.
He said that he was learning English.
I love reading books.
She said that she loved reading books.
I will visit my friend.
He said that he would visit his friend.
I finished my homework.
She said that she had finished her homework.
Excellent.
Thank you for explaining everything, Bob.
You're welcome, Jesse.
Now I understand what reported speech is. Great. I learned that reported speech means telling someone what another person said.
Exactly.
I also learned how tenses change. Very good. Most importantly, I am not afraid of reported speech anymore. That's the best part. I will keep practicing every day.
And every day you will become better.
Thanks again.
Anytime.
See you next time.
See you soon.
Happy English learning.